How can you make money with Bitcoin? There are several ways to potentially make money with Bitcoin, but it's important to note that they all involve varying degrees of risk. Here are some common methods people use to potentially profit from Bitcoin. Buying and holding. Investing. This strategy involves purchasing Bitcoin with the expectation that its value will increase over time. Many investors buy Bitcoin and hold onto it for the long term, hoping to benefit from potential price appreciation. However, it's important to remember that Bitcoin's value can be highly volatile, and there are no guarantees of future returns. Trading. Bitcoin trading involves actively buying and selling Bitcoin in an attempt to profit from short-term price movements. Traders try to take advantage of price volatility by using technical analysis, chart patterns, and market indicators to make informed trading decisions. This approach requires skill, knowledge, and constant monitoring of the market. Mining. Bitcoin mining is the process of validating transactions and adding them to the blockchain. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems, and in return, they receive newly minted Bitcoins as a reward. However, mining has become increasingly resource-intensive and requires significant upfront investment in specialized hardware. It may not be a feasible option for individual miners without access to cheap electricity and advanced equipment. Bitcoin staking. Some cryptocurrencies, including certain versions of Bitcoin, offer staking as a way to earn rewards. Staking involves holding a certain amount of a cryptocurrency in a wallet to support the network's operations. In return for staking, participants can earn additional cryptocurrency rewards. However, not all Bitcoin variants support staking, so it's essential to research which versions offer this feature. Peer-to-peer lending. Some platforms allow you to lend your Bitcoin to others and earn interest on your holdings. By lending your Bitcoin to borrowers, you can potentially earn additional income. However, this method comes with its own risks, such as the borrower defaulting on the loan. Participating in initial coin offerings, ICOs, or token sales. ICOs and token sales involve investing in newly issued cryptocurrencies or tokens. These offerings can provide an opportunity for early investors to profit if the project is successful. However, ICOs and token sales carry significant risks, including scams and projects that fail to deliver on their promises. Thorough research is necessary before participating in such ventures. It's important to note that investing or participating in activities related to Bitcoin carries risks, including the potential loss of your investment. It's advisable to do thorough research, understand the risks involved, and consider consulting with a financial advisor before engaging in any investment activities related to Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies.